What's the plan? Intercooler.
New fuel lines, new intercooler.
Lovely.
The shaft intercooler might be a quicker job. Should be straightforward though.
Oh, don't say that.
Yeah.
You're on camera now saying it'll be straightforward and it'll be a pain in the balls.
You can cut it out and make it look easy. Actually, I haven't had to do that too much. Actually, I haven't had to do that too much stuff.
Yeah. Thanks, pretty good. I'd say that's not a bad fit, Alan.
Not a bad fit at all.
Yeah. Out of the box.
Simple enough.
Even the intercooler pipes fit. Well, that side. What are you doing? What are you at?
Sticking a new filter, it's fairly bad, isn't it?
Jeez, yeah, it's not great.
Anyway. You compare it to the new one.
Like opening a fresh box of jocks.
I like jocks, you can wash them. Let's get that one too.
The lot box. Andrew, another bit of welding there for you.
Small jobs. I think it's seated in there.
Ah, yeah. Looks it.
Lip.
Is it sitting in there?
Yeah, not too bad.
Ah, yeah.
There we go. That was like a good click.
Torque click. Or more good clicks. It's like when I crack my back.
Keep the HKS facing down the way.
Should tighten up, yeah?
Yep.
Sweet
Much
as a
better.
nut.
Two successful jobs.
Two successful
Well,
jobs.
we have to tackle this fuel line.
Yeah, that's down in my house.
Yeah.
Your link one, let him to redo that with an 8. Oh, way better sketch.
So it's going to be chosen with the pump back out.
I think she was running out of fuel, was there a problem, Stan?
Makes sense, though.
No, she started fuel, but she no, she must have been really sharp. She's from a piston. Like,
See him. Hey, come on.
But that, I guarantee if you didn't build the engine out,
Jesus
without
Christ.
everything after seeing them lines.
Yeah.
And hear the lights
Right.
and the one pump wasn't enough. But that's
Okay.
I'm bored shit.
take a full hands for this job. The nice tools like that, nice plugs like that and who balloons. A full wire job, but good enough.
Yeah, that's good enough.
When she starts and runs.
No, and a bad old job putting in them fuel lines.
Oh. Ready to go up and get some ponies.
Some ponies. But to just take video evidence of the bet for the breakfast. I think I owe you a breakfast in all fairness.
You're gonna be that.
Yeah. Lloyd, put a heap of power into it and I get a fry out of it.
Or type in that number.
It's like what's your man, he gets the second receipt for the wife for the snap-on tools.
Oh, the snap-on tools.
Yeah, make it look cheaper.
What's the saying? My biggest fear in life is the wife would sell the tools for the price I told her I paid for. Jeez, it's like the car track out here in Coffee.
Hips motors.
So we're here in DRT Automotive, up Port Arlington, up here to get the car ready for Map, and Lloyd Patterson's about mapping the car hopefully now in the next half an hour, You're just tuning in the dash, putting all the fail safes on it, and putting our logo on the dash and things like that. So hopefully now we'll have a video in a few minutes of it making a bit of power in the dyno. It's running on raw Penta this year, so it should be able to make a few extra horsepower. Some setup to have here, some nice cars. Dude, is that a Supra? Watch this thing. Don't even know what it is. All I know it's a Volvo. Something very different. Looks like it's quite a bit done to it though. Don't know what sort of engine's in it.